Welcome back to News Now on ET Now, and on to the other news. The Karnataka government is mulling a potential hike in the beer prices. Now, this is turning concern among the alcohol enthusiasts in the states, but do remember that this comes on the heels of the recent increase in the bus fare and the proposed hikes in water and metro tariffs. Let's go across to Neha to get further updates. Neha?
We're seeing now that the Karnataka government, in fact, possibly could be hiking the prices of beer now across the state of Karnataka. What we're being told at this point, of course, is that this is merely a proposal. We heard from the excise minister there who's suggesting that, possibly now the prices of beer may have to be hiked. And this is primarily because, Indian-made liquor that we're looking at, the prices of which have been brought down. Now, remember, in fact, over the past couple of years, we've seen the consumption of beer in the state of Karnataka having shot up drastically. And with that being said, of course, the next question now is how the brewers associations, of course, are going to be reacting to this move. That's a proposal. Even as, of course, the excise minister there says it's awaiting the chief minister's nod and only then would be implemented. The fact is that, a concern now is whether the sales of beer is going to come down in the state if at all the price hike is implemented.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.